New foreigner student. Gattu Chinky's winter break was over, and now they had to go to school. Mummy comes to Gattu Chinky's room in the morning and wakes them up and says,
Hey kids, get up. Don't you remember? Now your winter holidays are over. Get out of the blankets quickly and go take a bath. But mummy, it feels so good. We don't even feel like getting out of the blanket right now. Yes, mummy. I want to sleep a little more. Kids, after so many days, your school is opening. All your friends must be going. Aren't you both excited to meet them?
Gattu Chinky's sleep vanishes away quickly after hearing about their friends. Both of them quickly get up, freshen up, and get ready for school. Well done, kids. You both got ready on time. Come, I will drop you to school with me in my car.
Okay, Papa.
Then Papa drops Gattu Chinky to school, and Gattu Chinky quickly reach their classroom. Goody, Bunty, and Hari were already waiting for them there.
Friends, it feels so good to see you all after so long. Yes, Gattu, really. I was very bored at home for so many days. Yes, but I went to my grandmother's house during winter break. I had a lot of fun there.
All the friends were talking among themselves when Chinky's eyes fell on the corner seat. She saw that a new admission, a girl was sitting there, and she was a foreigner.
Hey, we have a new admission. Yes, Chinky, she is a new admission. I heard that this girl's father got transferred from abroad. That is why she came here. But she is not talking to anyone. It seems she doesn't like talking to people. Oh no, Goody. I think she's nervous. Maybe she does not understand the local language. Yes, Gattu. You are absolutely right. She doesn't have any friends here. Come, let's go and talk to her. Okay, let's go, Chinky.
Then Gattu Chinky go near that foreigner kid and talk to her.
Hello.
The foreigner kid says while getting a little nervous.
Oh, hi. Hello. What is your name? My name is Lisa and I'm a new admission here. Oh, yes, we know. If you don't mind, we can become friends. Oh, that's great. I don't have many friends here. Thank you so much. Your name?
At first, due to Lisa's American accent, even Gattu Chinky do not understand her and they start getting a little nervous.
What? Oh, your name. Oh, yes. I am Gattu and she is Chinky. Oh, that's great, Gattu Chinky.
Lisa pronounces Gattu's name in a fun way. Due to which both Gattu and Chinky start laughing. And seeing them laughing, Lisa also starts laughing. But then, the teacher comes in the class and all the children sit on their seats.
Good morning, teacher. Good morning, children. Today, first of all, I will introduce you to someone, and that is Lisa. Hello, everyone. Lisa is a new admission and she is also a foreigner. That is why I want all of you to make friends with her so that she does not miss her country too much. Okay? Okay, ma'am.
Then all the kids study the whole day and Gattu Chinky also help Lisa in between. After the school gets over, when all the kids come out, everyone's parents had come to pick them up. Mummy came to pick up Gattu Chinky. Gattu Chinky quickly go to Mummy.
Kids, how was your day? Mummy, very good. And you know, we also made friends with a new kid. Yes, Mummy, and her name is Lisa and she's a foreigner.
Gattu Chinky were telling Mummy about Lisa when Lisa comes over there with her parents.
Hello, Gattu Chinky. Hello, Auntie. Hello, beta. Gattu Chinky, you both helped me a lot today in class. You are my first two friends in this country. Will you both come to my house for a tea and cake? Auntie, can they come?
Gattu Chinky start looking towards Mummy.
Yes, sure, Lisa. Just tell me the address of your house. I will leave Gattu Chinky at your house. Yay! Lisa, then we can help you in your homework too. Oh, Gattu, she doesn't know Hindi. Speak in English. Oh no, Chinky. I also know a little bit of Hindu.
Everyone starts laughing at Lisa's words.
Lisa, it's not Hindu, but Hindi. Oh, yes, same Gattu. Lisa, Gattu, not Gattu. Now we'll meet in the evening. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Lisa. Bye, Gattu Chinky.
Gattu Chinky come back home after talking to Lisa. Then both of them were very excited to go to her house in the evening.
Gattu Chinky, look, I've made some cupcakes. You can take these for Lisa. She will like them. Wow, thank you, Mummy. Yes, thank you, Mummy.
Then Mummy packs the cupcakes and then takes Gattu Chinky to Lisa's house.
Go, kids, and I will come to pick you up after an hour. Complete your homework on time, okay? Okay, Mummy.
After saying this, Gattu Chinky rings the doorbell of the house and Lisa quickly opens the door.
Welcome, Gattu Chinky. Lisa, cupcakes for you. Yes, Mummy made them for you. Oh, thank you so much, Gattu Chinky. Lisa, Gattu, not Gattu. It seems you will never take my name right. You are right, Gattu. I think one day your name will be changed from Gattu to Gattu. I'm sorry, Gattu.
Gattu Chinky were talking to Lisa when Lisa's mom comes over there.
Hello, kids. Welcome home. Thank you both of you for helping Lisa so much in school. You kids can start doing the homework and I'll bring snacks and tea to your room. Yes, thank you, Mom. We are going to my room then. Okay, Lisa. Also, don't make a lot of noise.
Gattu and Chinky were feeling really good watching Lisa and her mom talking like that in an English accent. They felt like they were watching an English show. Then Lisa takes Gattu Chinky to her room, and her room was full of pink colored things and was looking very cute.
Wow, Lisa, your room is so pretty. Thank you, Chinky. And also, I like your accent very much, Lisa. But I want to speak Hindi like you guys. I really love Hindi. No problem, Lisa. You will learn soon by staying with us. And we will learn to speak English from you.
Everyone starts laughing after hearing Chinky's words. After this, they take out their books from their bags and start doing their homework. Gattu Chinky were explaining all the homework to Lisa very well. Just then, Lisa's mother comes there with tea and cake. But Gattu Chinky gets surprised seeing this.
Hey, cake with tea? But how can we eat sweet cake with sweet tea? Oh, no, Gattu. This is not a sweet tea. This is green tea. This goes really well with sweet cakes. Have some and you will love it. Oh, okay, Lisa.
Gattu Chinky drink their green tea with cakes and they like it a lot. Then all three of them finish their homework together. As soon as the homework is finished, Mummy also comes to pick up Gattu Chinky. And in this way, Gattu Chinky get a new foreigner friend.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.